My dear student, on behalf of Siliguri College of Commerce, I very much happy that you are just entering in the fairy of higher education. My college, Siliguri College of Commerce, is one of the best colleges in commerce and management education under the affiliation of North Bengal University. You should follow the CBCS course, which has been introduced by UGC, and the examination will be held every 6 months after. But there are so many factors which is most important to us about the development of academics. Just in the pandemic situation, we started online classes, and which is most important, and you should, as a student of my college, just attend the classes because of that. And attendance percentage is very much important in the examination purpose. There will be 1 marks which is allotted by the university for the attendance of the classes, which is included in the final mark sheet of you. So you must attend classes. There are so many streams we have. Bachelor of Business Administration is being taught here. I think you develop yourself and in disciplined manner for the development of your career. It is the first juncture of your life. Just you are entering in the higher education sector. Our website is Siliguri College of Commerce.org. There you have different types of information. Not only that, in the pandemic situation, we develop 4 types of communication to you. You are a member of our group, class group in WhatsApp. You can have the information from Facebook and also the website of our college. Thank you. I think that you develop yourself for the better world, for the better gesture of your life. All the teachers here are very much delighted for encouraging you, supporting you for the higher studies. Thank you.